Hi, this is multiple choice question number 15 on the AP Physics E extra credit questions. So here we're asked to find coefficient of kinetic friction of this block and a force is being applied to it at an angle. It's very important we know from our physics facts is that force of friction equals mu Fn. There's one more we need to know. So forces set up our force equation in the x direction and the y direction. They don't affect each other. Sum of forces in the x equals mass times acceleration in the x. Sum of forces in the y equals mass times acceleration in the y. And then lastly, we don't need to know this. We can know this just from our trigonometry knowledge, but it's nice to just have memorized. The horizontal component of the force is force times cosine theta, and vertical component is force times sine theta. Okay, so let's get started. Let's draw our FBDs. Just one FBD. Okay, so we have our block, mass M. We have our weight force. It's going down. Okay. We have the normal force. It's not a very good line. Oh my goodness. We have our normal force. And then we also have the vertical component of F, which is F sine theta. We also have so then let's go to the x direction. In the x direction we have F cosine theta. And then we have our frictional force. Going to the left. Oh, the other physics fact we need to know is that when objects are moving at a constant speed, the sum of forces equals 0. That's very important. So now let's set up our equations, x and y. Since it's in equilibrium in the y direction, the object's not flying, we know normal force plus F sine theta is equal mg. And then again, since it's moving at a constant speed in the x direction, it's in equilibrium there. So our frictional force equals F cosine theta. And then let's just write up here. So the friction is mu Fn. Okay. So let's solve for normal force here. Normal force mg minus F sine theta. Okay. Now let's rewrite our frictional force as mu Fn. Now we can plug in this for Fn. U mg plus F sine theta equals F cosine theta. So then we just solve for mu, which is our coefficient of kinetic friction. That's what we're asked to find. F cosine theta over this mg minus F sine theta. And that's going to be our answer. So let's see if that matches up. And D. So it's none of these. This is F cosine theta. Must be E C. There it is. Thank you.